If you're struggling with a health issue, but you can't figure out why, you may need to take a look at your gut. Poor gut health and microbiome imbalances can lead to increased inflammation, poor immunity, weight issues, joint issues, skin issues, bloating, poor energy levels, bad sleep quality, mood swings, and lack of mental clarity. So if you're struggling with any of these health conditions and you're looking for a personalized approach to improving your gut health and digestion while boosting your immunity, this is the video for you. On today's episode of LiveLeanTV, I'm showing you how to find the best gut health supplements and probiotics for your specific needs. All right, let's do this! Hey LiveLeaners, welcome back to another episode of LiveLeanTV. I'm your host, Brad Guthrow. So when it comes to supplements, this video is going to show you how one at-home test can remove all the guesswork and provide you with the exact foods and supplement formulation to improve your unique gut health needs. This test will also provide you with a surprising list of healthy foods to avoid. So when your body doesn't have enough good bacteria, bad bacteria can flourish. Fortunately, you can fix a lot of these gut health issues by consuming the right gut healthy friendly foods and the right prebiotics and probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial live bacteria that support a healthy gut environment, while prebiotics are dietary fibers that serve as the food for these friendly bacteria. And supplementing with probiotics introduces good bacteria into your system, thus improving the balance of your gut microbiome. However, here's the issue with gut health supplements. With so many options available, it's important to choose the right gut health supplements and probiotics for your specific needs. I repeat, your specific needs. Every person's gut microbiome is unique like a fingerprint. So what works for one person's gut may not be as effective for another. And over the years, I've spent a lot of money buying probiotics from the supplement store. And I always wish there was a way to get a custom formulation specific to my needs. So in other words, just give me what I need so I don't waste my money on what I don't need. So if you're wondering how to find the exact supplements and foods to optimize your unique gut microbiome, you've come to the right video. So let's get into it. So to take your health and wellness to the next level, it's time to take a data-driven approach to your health. To do this, you need to take an at-home gut health test. I did this test and was shocked to learn a lot of foods classified as gut healthy were actually bad for my unique gut microbiome. In fact, only 11% of people who have taken this test show kale as a superfood. And based on my test results, kale came back as a minimized food, but arugula came back as a superfood. So even though the majority of blog posts and videos on best gut healthy foods tell you to eat kale, it may actually be doing the opposite for your unique gut microbiome. What's even worse? What if you don't like kale, but you're forcing yourself to eat it because you think it's helping? So based on taking this test, I now know that kale is not helping my gut health, and I no longer feel guilty for not eating it. So I replaced kale with another leafy green called arugula that is classified as a superfood to my unique gut microbiome. And I've said it many times before, just because certain foods and supplements work for some people, they may not work for you. So to take your health and wellness to the next level, it's time to take a data-driven approach to your health. And this test will give you the exact data on what your unique body actually needs, rather than wasting your time and your money buying random supplements you think your body may need. So Viome provides you with everything you need to test your gut health at home. This test will tell you the current state of your gut health, exactly what is going on inside your body, what problems it may be causing, and solutions to help. So based on your specific test, Viome provides precision prebiotics and probiotics that are personalized for your unique gut health needs. That means you are getting all the strains at the proper dosages to help improve digestion, reduce inflammation, gas and bloating, and increase your energy levels and well-being. So here's how the test works. Once I ordered the test online, the kit was shipped straight to my front door within a few days. Everything you need to do the test, including the collection instructions, is included in the kit. Before taking the test, simply activate the kit, then complete the test and ship it back for free. Overall, the testing portion of the service was very seamless and straightforward. And once they receive your sample, the CLIA certified labs analyze your microbiome activity using cutting-edge RNA technology. So Viome's gut intelligence test reveals 20 integrative health scores, including your inflammatory activity, metabolic fitness, and gut lining health. So within 2 to 3 weeks, I received an email that my results were ready for me inside the Viome app. Inside the app, you'll see your personalized nutrition recommendations, including specific superfoods for your unique microbiome, as well as foods you should consume less of or avoid completely. The bottom line, guys, when you feed your gut with the right combination of probiotics and prebiotics, you're giving those beneficial bacteria the best chance to thrive while crowding out the harmful ones. This leads to a more balanced and diverse gut microbiome, which is associated with improved digestion, enhanced nutrient absorption, and better overall health. Remember, investing in your gut health is investing in your overall wellness. So don't let your gut keep you from living your best life. In the comment section below, let me know, have you taken a gut health test, and which gut health supplements are you currently taking? Thanks for watching, guys, and keep living lean.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be